Thank you for joining us. Our topic is the impact software can have on small business. My name is Rick O'Hara with Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. I must admit, I feel fortunate to have worked with so many small businesses over the last 30 years. The goal of Accounting Business Solutions by JCS is to help small businesses go beyond just accounting. We help you learn advanced features and find solutions to support your business processes and meet your objectives. By identifying areas for improvement, reviewing your existing system, and perhaps leveraging the right solutions, you can free up resources and gain efficiencies. What does this process look like? First, we will look at samples of inefficiencies and creating a simple spreadsheet to calculate the cost of the inefficiencies. The next step would be to review your current software to determine if it includes functionality to reduce or eliminate any of these inefficiencies. It may be beneficial to talk about the benefits the right solution can offer. The effect can be impactful, providing visibility into accurate data, increasing capacity with existing staff, and streamlining operations. What causes inefficiencies in small businesses? Frequently, we see businesses using spreadsheets, databases, and outdated software. Combinations of disjointed applications, manual files, and limited or no access to information. We hear comments like, "This is always the way we've done it." Does this sound familiar? Typically, inefficiencies develop over time. Processes worked when the business was small. Key staff are comfortable with how they do their job. Everyone's too busy to work on solutions to problems or fully train new employees. It may not be possible to integrate older technology, and updates may be costly. How about your office? Do individuals manage information on their workstation? And do you have silo systems and databases that manage a single process? Do your systems work together? Does your staff have access to information, making it easy to do their job? How are businesses impacted by inefficiencies? The cost of time for hours spent entering, updating, or deleting data, often managing the same information in more than one system. The accuracy factor. Inaccurate information and reports used for decisions may not include all the information you need. Maybe missing labor costs, inventory shortages, scheduling conflicts for work to be completed. Shipping delays can slow cash flow, resulting in bank financing, and calculating job profit may happen weeks after the work is done. The impact is that inefficiencies really slow down business processes. What is the financial impact on the business? Then can stifle growth and reduce potential profitability. Now, how to calculate the cost of inefficiencies? This is a very simple spreadsheet. Once I have identified inefficiencies, I place them in the first column called pain points, followed by how many individuals experience a particular pain point. Next, I estimated the number of hours actively spent each week. I'm using $50 an hour, which would be an hourly pay rate plus payroll taxes, vacation, holiday, and all other payroll overhead related expenses. To calculate it, estimated cost for a week, take the total hours times $50 per hour. To calculate estimated annual cost, take the weekly total cost times 52 weeks. The grand total of these will provide an annual estimate. Let's go over these examples. Pain point one. How much time is spent reviewing paperwork for parts that are late in multiple warehouse or bin locations, walking the warehouse floor, and manually updating accounting and shipping information? In this example, we have one person who spends 5 hours per week looking through emails, printed purchase orders, scanning shelves to locate parts they need to complete a job. This cost comes to $250 per week and $13,000 per year. Pain point number two: how much time is spent manually tracking sales and commission calculation? In this example, we have two people who spend 10 hours per week. First, they review a stack of client orders and compare them to the shipping document, looking for client billings that should have already been completed. They send partial data to a spreadsheet where they add more information in order to calculate commissions by salespersons. This cost comes to $500 per week and $26,000 per year. Pain point three: how much time is spent calculating capacity, creating the requirements for purchase orders for job parts and spreadsheets. Maybe one or two contribute to this job. They spend time meeting, then talking to the plant manager. After reviewing priority scheduling, this information gets posted to a whiteboard, and finally a record gets typed up for distribution. This cost comes to $400 per week and $20,800 per year. Pain point four: how much time is spent on cash management? Cash flow statements being updated by hand can be replaced by systems that provide this information on demand for owners, financial institutions, and boards of directors. This cost comes at $200 per week and $10,400 per year. And pain point five: how much time is spent calculating profit because your system does not include everything? You take what you can get from the system, but need to add additional information. Profit is the sale amount less all material, labor, and outside services necessary to deliver the goods or services to a customer. Are you a manufacturing company that needs to track expenses, labor, and outside services to a work ticket? Are you a construction company that needs job costing with phases, cost codes, and change orders? Are you a field service organization that needs to understand if a system service call is under warranty and what parts and labor used to be a specific piece of equipment and want profits by service ticket? This cost comes to $150 per week and $7,800 per year. In these few simple examples, you can see how the annual financial impact. Make a list and perform these simple calculations to understand your total cost and efficiencies. What is the impact of the right solution that can have on your business? We have reviewed examples of the cost. Now let's review the effect the right solution can have on a small business. Businesses can increase sales capacity, close more sales when you have accurate inventory on hand quantity. Gain easy visibility to accurate information like profitability by customer, by sale, and by item. Historical customer information about jobs, product, and service sales. Higher satisfaction from customers, vendor, and staff. Perhaps a fully integrated HMRS solution would provide insights into employee profitability. And this is where that word, again, is the one every business owner wants to know: profitability. Once you free up resources, the benefits include improved customer, vendor, and employee satisfaction. Fully integrated systems give you the ability to make timely and impactful decisions. You can build awareness with the ability to alert your staff members when there are critical issues that need attention. Does your existing solution continue to support your business? Do you have more than one location, more than one company? Ask key personnel to identify what is slowing them down from doing their job. It really helps to identify as many operational areas that need to be improved as possible. The next step is to prioritize your pain points. This visual list will help provide a strategy to determine if you just need more education, determine if your system is set up properly, or would updating outdated software help. Do you really need a more robust solution to support business growth? And can your existing staff help you manage a new solution? Can a new solution help problems like broken processes, lack of accurate and timely information, redundant work, poor inventory management, unorganized utilization of resources, and slow cash flow? Would it improve customer, vendor, and employee satisfaction? Have you considered cloud based solutions or a blend of an on premise and the cloud? Well, thanks for joining us today. The, for the impact software can have on small business. Reach out to us to schedule your complimentary discovery call so we can learn more about your future business objectives and goals for your business. We can help you understand advanced reporting and dashboard options for better visibility and much more. Thanks for joining us. Please be well and stay safe.